It's a totally normal school day. So boring. Until a new girl shows up in class. Hi, Melissa. Take your seat. But you have to be careful. Oh, class hasn't even started, and she's already in trouble. These girls are clearly serious, and her angelic smile won't touch them. After all, the new girl sat in Skylar's seat, and she's the most popular girl in class. And she's going to fight back hard with the help of her special friend. It takes so long to explain that you just need a plain old marker. Skylar doesn't bother talking. She just writes it out. Do you get it now? Get out of here! Yeah, there's nothing she can do. She'll have to find another place, and the queen can take her throne. Hey, why are you standing there? Where are the props? Oh yeah, just a second. A glitter explosion. Turn everything into a show. And the faithful assistant. Oh, there's no room at the desk? It's okay. I can take notes standing up, as long as I'm next to Skylar. Where's the new girl, by the way? I'm right here, behind the shelf. Are you sure you're okay there? Okay, let's get started. Skylar is extremely popular at this college. Even in the cafeteria, she's the center of attention. That's hilarious! It's good to have a friend who will tell you where to laugh. Oh, there's Melissa with homemade donuts. Trying to bond with your classmates? Looks like these donuts are the best way to win them over. Skylar's not happy about it. Don't you know how many calories they have? She's furious. Give me the donuts, now! Oops! Here, have some fruit instead. Oh well. Goodbye, donuts. Oh, where are all the pears? Her best friend didn't get any. She'll have to eat her hair. Skylar will try a donut just in case. Why does everyone look so mad? In physics class, there's never enough people willing to go to the board. Who will solve the equation? Nobody wants to, except Melissa. All right, go ahead. Skylar doesn't like that very much. We're going to teach the smarty pants a lesson. When you're popular, the whole class is on your side. A pen and a piece of paper is all you need to start a war. Is everyone ready? Start! Don't even try to hide. What is that? A party popper? Glitter? Skylar can't figure out what to do. Poor Melissa. But maybe at least a good grade will cheer her up. Yeah, but not Skylar. It's so nice to drink some water after PE class. Okay, now it's time for a shower. Oops! Melissa's locker is compromised. Skylar's team is here. The girls are on the warpath. They want to find the new girl's locker. However, Skylar's friend needs to be more careful and not get distracted. Oh, throwing a ball at her idol. That's unacceptable. Skylar's about to get a good shot. On the locker. Oh, I think I found the target. It's definitely Melissa's locker. The operation to destroy it has begun. We have to drink all the water. Done! Is this really revenge? Let's take her clothes. And instead, we'll leave this. Poor Melissa. What is she going to see? An empty bottle and no clothes? Except for this gingerbread man costume. She'll have to put it on. And here's her audience. The effect is stunning. Skylar is so happy. We need more people to see this. Michael, come on in. Being the center of attention is nice, of course, but not when you are a gingerbread man. So embarrassing. Poor Melissa. What's going to happen to her next? The college cheerleading tryouts are today. Finally, a great chance for Melissa to prove herself. Okay, go! Wow, great! Mr. Brown is so happy. He shouldn't be, because Skylar is sitting right next to him, and she's upset. What are you looking at? What's so great about Melissa? Nothing, according to Skylar. But Mr. Brown gives her the highest score. Skylar's friend does too. But no. Now the cheerleading expert will show you how it's done. Voila! Bravo! Bravo! Well, where's my applause? And, of course, the top score. We do feel sorry for Melissa. She was so good. Everyone loved it but Skylar. Well, that's better than nothing. You have to be careful in chemistry class and use protective gear. Although, Skylar wants to stand out here, too. Okay, fine. I'll wear these goggles. Let's start the experiment. Mix the chemicals. But it looks like Skylar has other plans. Oh, Coca-Cola? I am so thirsty. No, it's for a prank. This is going to be a real chemistry experiment. Pouring soda into a test tube. Mr. Brown doesn't notice anything. And Melissa doesn't see that somebody's pouring Coke into her flask. A lot of it, actually, but that's not all. Mentos? Oh no! Skylar's gonna throw it in the Coke. Oh, candy! Thank you! What's wrong with you? I have to explain. Like this. Oh my gosh! What's going on? It's a disaster! Mr. Brown, help! This experiment went too far. Skylar is the only one having fun. Her friend, on the other hand, doesn't seem to be enjoying it. Who cares, though? It's every man for himself. That's not true. Melissa won't abandon anyone. Get up! Are you okay? I can't believe this is happening. Michael has a twin brother who really wants to perform on stage. He has a lot of talent, though he doesn't even know what it is yet. It's exhausting. That's why it's better to invite to the stage our favorite, Skylar! There she is, a real star! Hey, where's my backup? Finally! Shh! Listen to my orders! Now, let's start! Skylar's in charge of the choreography. Her friend is in charge of everything else. Oh, what's with all the faces? But everyone's really impressed. She's talented. Michael's brother decided to pay his respects in person. Bravo! Bravo! And now, on stage, Melissa! This is it, her big chance. What a great voice! The audience is amazed. And the more popular Melissa is, the madder Skylar gets. Look! I picked up the tune! Get out of my sight! It's all right. I'll make you dance. We have to turn off the power. Then we'll see how you sing. Oh, the lights went out. And the microphone doesn't work either. But that doesn't stop anyone. Everyone is in love with Melissa. It's kind of romantic to perform without lights. And Michael's brother has a flashlight. The concert can go on, except that the musical equipment doesn't work without electricity. And then, help comes from where we least expected it. Skylar's friend is coming over to the good side. Success! A new star was born! And a new friendship, too! Yay! The winners of the competition are these amazing teammates! And now let's dance! Wow! Mr. Brown is also a DJ. That's an unusual hobby for a teacher. Everyone's having a blast. Here comes Skylar. But where's the red carpet? Looks like there's a new idol in this class. Skylar's time is over, and Melissa is the center of attention. This is so weird. Nobody cares about Skylar. Then she'd better go and be proudly alone. Poor thing. We should comfort her. Oh no, you don't. Leave me alone. What do you want? Can you open my soda? Who else? How about a dance? I don't see why not. Skylar needs to relax and let go. She's smiling now. She's also ready to forgive and forget. Guys, let's be friends. Wow, that's an unexpected ending. Did you like our sketches about Skylar and Melissa? Have you ever been the new student? How did it go? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any new videos on Troom Troom Wow!